Hey guys, welcome back. Today we want to find the value of this expression, which is 3 minus 3 times 3 plus 3. Many people look at this and they instantly do the subtraction. So they say 3 minus 3 gives us 0. So now the expression becomes 0 times 3 plus 3. 0 times 3 is 0, and 0 plus 3 equals 3. And at this point it feels super easy, right? You look at it and think, yeah, that makes sense, the answer should be 3. But hold on. That is actually not the correct value of this entire expression. Let's go through it carefully using the correct order of operations. Multiplication comes before subtraction and addition. So we have to start with the multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9. So now the expression becomes 3 minus 9 plus 3. Subtraction and addition have equal priority, so we always move from left to right. 3 minus 9 equals -6, and -6 plus 3 equals -3. And that is the real final answer to this problem. If this one surprised you even a little bit, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who would fall for the quick method, and subscribe for more smooth and satisfying math breakdowns. Let me know in the comments, did you get 3 or -3 first?